Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, today we are going to learn the last tense of active voice, that is your future perfect continuous tense. Now when do we use this kind of a tense? We use this tense to talk about the action which is going to begin from tomorrow or from future, and that is going to continue. So let's learn the rule for this. Subject plus will have plus been plus first verb plus ing plus object. Now let us take an example. The boys will have been going to gym from tomorrow, positive. Negative, the boys won't have been going to gym from tomorrow. Positive question 1, will the boys have been going to gym from tomorrow? Negative question 1, won't the boys have been going to gym from tomorrow? Positive question 2, how will the boys have been going to gym from tomorrow? And negative question 2, why won't the boys have been going to gym from tomorrow? Now here we complete all the tenses guys. So keep on practicing the rules and understand the rules and frame sentences taking different kind of verbs. This will help you because if you know tenses and if you know active voice, you will be able to create a base for learning the English language. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.